Hey guys, in this video we'll talk about how you can know if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright guys, so let's get started. So right here I have two devices. So I'm going to block the first device from my second device. As soon as I block my first device, you can see the profile picture and the online status disappear. And this is the first clue to know if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. But it's not that perfect because WhatsApp itself has the feature like to hide the profile as well as the last seen. So the second thing you can do is, now previously if you have a conversation with that person, you have got all the blue ticks on the messages, and now if you're messaging and you're not getting any double tick or maybe a blue tick, then most probably you have been blocked. So these are the two ways through which you can identify either you are blocked or not. So that's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.